Welcome to Ittihad Chemicals, a pioneer and one of the largest manufacturers of industrial chemicals in Pakistan. Synthesis is at the core of our manufacturing philosophy and also at the heart of our ethos at ICL. Using chemicals to simplify and even improve our lives on an everyday basis comes with the responsibility to ensure that the world around us remains safe and confident when Ittihad is a part of their lives. A higher quality of living without risk is our ultimate goal, and we believe in unifying Pakistan's best talent and technology to serve as a catalyst to deliver sustainable products to satisfied customers while optimizing returns for our valued investors. Ittihad is not just our identity, it's our philosophy.
हमने अपने बिज़नेस का आगाज़ डाइस की ट्रेनिंग से किया, जिसमें डाइस केमिकल, टेक्सटाइल के डाइस, उसके बाद हमने एक टेक्सटाइल प्रोसेसिंग प्लांट लगाया। उसके बाद 95 के अंदर हमने अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इत्तेहाद केमिकल को टेक ओवर किया। उस इत्तेहाद केमिकल के अंदर जब हमने लिया तो उसकी जो कंडीशन थी, बड़ी पैथेटिक कंडीशन थी। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह उस पर हमने मेहनत कर और उसमें कैपेसिटी बढ़ाकर और 2-3 मुख्तलिफ प्लांट लगाकर हमने इसको काफ़ी इम्प्रूव किया और सबसे बेहतर उसमें हमने 30 मेगावाट का गैस फायर पावर प्लांट लगाया।
ICL, as one of the thought leaders in the overall chemical industry, is gearing up to become a progressive, technology and talent-oriented business.
In recent years, the company has not only successfully diversified in sulfate-based surfactants, but we've also strengthened our core capability, which is our chloroalkali capacity. We had plants from the 60s, 80s and the early 2000s, and in the last 5 years we've placed all of them with state-of-the-art units, making our plant one of the most efficient on a global scale.
ये चेंजेस हैं जो आपको सामने नज़र आ रही हैं। उस चेंजेस के पीछे जो मैं कहूँगा बिहाइंड द स्टेज चेंजेस काफ़ी हैं, which I would call cultural change, the change in attitude, change in mindset of the people. People are very important for any change. There's a famous saying that there's only one constant in this world, which is change.
We are proud to be pioneers, but we are also eager to define the future for our industry.
एक हमने strategy बनाई DVCP, which stands for diversification, value addition, cost reduction and positioning.
ICL produces two kinds of product lines. The first being basic chemicals and the second product line being surfactants. These products have numerous applications, not just in industrial and chemical sector, but rather everyday home use as well.
At Ittihad Chemicals Limited, we are providing basic chemicals and surfactants to not only multinational and corporates, but also to many different local industries. Besides that, our range of industries covers everything from textile to paper to detergents and soap chemicals, all the way to power generation. So in everyday life, there is Ittihad in everything that you do. Our core philosophy is excellent customer service. Leveraging on that excellent customer services, we have formed the principle of encircling the customer. Due to this, not only have we started trading in specialty chemicals catering to the oil and gas, the detergent and textile industry, but we are on a mission to expand our export portfolio, which currently consists of UAE, Oman and Afghanistan.
At the same time, ICL is actively pursuing and implementing Industry 4.0 trends, which means ensuring effective automation implementation.
जो एक एडिशनल पार्ट प्ले कर रहा है फोर्थ इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन, वो है इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स एंड इंटरनेट ऑफ पीपल, जिसमें देयर इज़ वन वर्जन ऑफ ट्रूथ, फ्लो ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन इज़ वेरी स्मूथ और जो प्रोडक्टिविटी है वो आउट क्लास होती है।
Not only is the team continuously connected with the plant and machinery, but in recent times, we've even integrated our customers as well as our transporters to our ERP systems to be able to deliver a world-class B2B customer experience.
This helps us achieve the great standard of care taken to craft our products. Customer satisfaction and positive perceptions of the industry are key targets for us as we aim to create value for our stakeholders while adhering to world-class sustainability goals.
ICL के अंदर जो एक डिफरेंस है वो है इसकी मैनेजमेंट का इंतहाई फ्रेंडली होना लोगों के साथ और कम्युनिकेशन ओपन डोर है.
Since the early 60s, we have served as an institution and a training ground for achieving engineering excellence and honing managerial talent in the country.
इत्तेहाद केमिकल्स स्किल डेवलपमेंट के लिए 3 साल का एक स्किल डेवलपमेंट प्लान चलाता है पंजाब गवर्नमेंट के साथ, जिसमें लोकल एरियाज़ के लोगों की स्किल डेवलपमेंट की जाती है. एक अप्रेंटिसशिप प्रोग्राम है हमारा.
Our talent acquisition strategy, combined with the industrial expertise at ICL, allow us to attract the best in the industry from across the nation. We also pride ourselves for providing the safest workplace in the industry.
Being a chemical industry with caustic soda, hydrochloric acid, chlorine, these are either very highly alkaline media or very acidic media. That is very corrosive in nature and risk for human safety. इन चीज़ों को देखते हुए यहाँ पे HEC को इंतहाई सीरियसली लिया जाता है.
Workplace safety and productivity go hand in hand at ICL. With a massive BMR project successfully executed at the plant, ICL has been modernized and retrofitted into one of the most efficient plants on a global scale. With our electricity consumption down by almost 25%, we are reducing our carbon footprint significantly. It's no wonder ICL is one of the most protective employers in the industry. ICL also backs ambitious social responsibility programs, especially in the field of education, microfinance and medicine.
ये अल्लाह का शुक्र है, बल्कि भी जो अब हम अपने जॉब के पहले के हालात देखें और जिस तरह कंटिन्यूटी से हमने मुश्किल मिजाजी से यहाँ पे काम कर रहे हैं, हमने किया है, हमें अपनी लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट नज़र आती है. हमारे बच्चे भी एजुकेशन ले रहे हैं और हमें फैसिलिटी सोशल सिक्योरिटी की कंपनी के थ्रू जो है सेहत के हवाले से भी, वालिदैन की भी, हमारे बच्चों की भी, हमारी भी.
ICL is firmly committed to the growth and prosperity of Pakistan.
मुस्तकबिल के हवाले से हमारे 2 प्रोग्राम हैं. किस तरह इंपोर्ट को सब्स्टिट्यूट किया जाए और एक्सपोर्ट बढ़ाई जाए. पाकिस्तान में क्योंकि लाइम स्टोन और नमक की अबेंडेंट क्वांटिटी अवेलेबल है और ये दोनों प्रोडक्ट रॉ मटेरियल है हमारे, तो उस प्रोडक्ट पे हम रिसर्च कर माइनिंग इंडस्ट्री के अंदर आना चाहते हैं. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इत्तेहाद केमिकल की लोकेशन ऐसी बेहतरीन जगह पर है और मेन GT रोड. हमारे साथ ही 5 हाईवेज गुजर रहे हैं. साथ साथ रेलवे की लाइन भी हमारी फैक्ट्री के अंदर से गुजर रही है. इसके साथ साथ हमें वसी तजर्बा मौजूद है केमिकल हैंडलिंग का, इसलिए लॉजिस्टिक हमारा एक नेचुरल एवेन्यू बनता है फॉर फ्यूचर डाइवर्सिफिकेशन.
At ICL, we believe in unifying not just our processes and our methods, but also our beliefs and our ambitions. We believe in being a catalyst to the growth of our valued partners, our colleagues, and our countrymen. And for that, we work a little harder every day.